Hi Taurus, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 10th to August the 12th. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At nagla-live din po tayo doon. So kung gusto niyo sumali, um, take advantage of joining, no? You're very much welcome. Kung hindi niyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Simulan na natin. Taurus. Sa Taurus, ang nakikita ko dito, bakit sinasabi mo na ayaw kitang kausapin, ayaw kong marinig, no? Kung ano man itong sasabihin mo, para sa'yo, meron kang meron kang wall, meron kang bar, meron kang sinasabi natin ditong margin, hanggang diyan ka lang, no? Hindi ko sinasabing tumalikod na ako, pero sa ngayon, there's actually a heightened energy. Medyo inis ako, medyo galit ako. Ipakita mo sa akin na nagbabago ka, ipakita mo sa akin na merong changes, ipakita mong sincere ka. And then, probably let's cross the bridge when we get there, no? Kakausapin kita uli. Pero for now, hanggang dyan ka lang muna. There are times na hindi mo kinakausap, hindi mo pinapansin. Kung lagi kayo nagkikita ni ayaw mong titigan, no? There are messages in here, probably for a few numbers of you, but hindi mo naman siya tinitignan, no? Ayaw mong tignan, ayaw mo. For a few numbers of you as well, nag-deactivate ng mga social medias, no? I am seeing in here na meron kang, kumbaga, nagko-cloak ka, no? You wanted to be invisible, especially with, the person's eye, no? To a point na naka-block itong taong ito. With the Six of Swords, the Four of Pentacles, the King of Swords, the Ten of Swords, the Judgment, sinabi mo sa sarili mo na parang ako muna, no? Parang sinasabi mo rin sa sarili mo na I'm gonna give value to myself, no? Ako muna, kasi parang um, ang tagal, no, ng time na parang nagpakatanga ko, no? Meron na ako nakikita, may mga red flags na pero hindi ko ginawa. I keep it to myself, no? Hoping na baka either you're gonna change o baka iniisip ko kasi itong mahirap kay Taurus, napakabait. No, sometimes nate-take advantage tayo because of, kasi mas iniisip natin, tama ba 'tong ginagawa ko? Baka mamaya ako 'tong mali, baka ako yung lumabas na masama or baka talagang masama itong iniisip ko or baka masama na ang ugali ko. So, you're giving leniency, no, parang binibigyan mo ng masyadong time yung tao para mas gawang ka pa ng masama. And I feel like with the King of Swords, dumating na dun yung parang pinakarukrok ng gigil mo, ng galit mo, parang nahuli niya, no, yung buong taon ng galit mo. With the Ten of Swords, up until sinabi mo, alam mo, kahit mahal kita, um, na, na, naubos ako sa'yo, no? Naubos, yung natitiram or nalalabi mong battery, no? Yung sabihin natin, yung battery percent na is 100%. Yung natitirang 1%, parang sinabi mo dito, ubos na ako. Parang papadrain na ako. Or drain na talaga ako. Hindi na ako magfa-function. Pero gagamitin ko tong huling-huling battery, yung huling-huling percentage ng battery na to for me, no? Ang maganda naman kasi kay Taurus is when they decided, no, to really focus on themselves, no, parang I'm letting it go, no. Kasi meron pa ditong time na Taurus actually saved the relationship by what? By submitting, no, uh, naging submissive itong si Taurus for a little while. The Empress, the Two of Pentacles, the Page of Pentacles. I think na nagpagupit tayo ng buhok, no, nagpakulay tayo, nagpataba, nagpapayat. It doesn't matter. There are physical changes that's actually happening deep within us. And I feel like or baka pinag-iisipan niyo pa, 'no? For a few numbers of you, baka naiisip niyo, "Ay, lumipat kaya ako ng trabaho, 'no, o umalis kaya ako dito sa company namin kung kasama niyo sa trabaho with the stars in here and the three of wands." Yung iba naman is pagbubutihan naman itong trabaho para 'no, dumating yung time na meron akong maipagmamalaki, meron akong mukhang maihaharap, meron akong kumbaga achievement na masasabi na because of this separation. Ito yung pinaka sabihin nating revenge na pwedeng gawin dito ni Taurus, 'no. This is for them to actually separate themselves from the dynamic, but they wanted to parang may ma-achieve, 'no. Parang hindi gusto kong gusto ko ipakita sa'yo na meron akong narating, meron akong napuntahan. Hindi nasayang ang pagkakaroon natin ng separation with the Ten of Cups and the Ten of Wands. Kahit kasi mahal na mahal ni Taurus, kung nararamdaman niya na nagiging burden, 'no, itong relationship na ito. Burden in a lot of ways. Burden probably sa time ng pagtulog, 'no, nawawala yung tulog, nababawasan yung pagtulog. Sa, sabihin nating trabaho also, it felt like instead na na-inspire tayo, nagkaroon tayo lalo ng masyadong madaming, um, kumbaga baggages, um, mga gawain pa, 'no, with the Three Cups and the Five of Cups. So, parang ang sa'yo dito, meron ka ring mga nakalimutan, either mga kaibigan mo, family members, 'no, na parang sinabi mo, "Sana pala hindi na lang ako nag-focus dito sa relationship na ito. I think it's much better for me," 'no, parang babawi ako, 'no, babawi ako sa mga tao na nasaktan ko at lalong-lalo na babawi ako sa sarili ko, 'no? 'Yun ang pinakamahalaga do'n, babawi ako sa sarili ko. With the let's check, no, the emotion of your person. Now, this could be your emotion as well. I've been fighting a battle I can't win, and you are the light at the end of my tunnel. So I feel like this I've been fighting a battle I can't win. No, ito nga yung sinasabi ko kanina na pinaglaban ni Taurus itong situation na ito, itong relationship na ito. But it felt like this is a losing end. So sinabi dito ni Taurus na, "No, I can't do this anymore." No, even though, no, parang ito yung you are the light at the end of my tunnel. I think that this is Taurus referring to the people around them who actually loves them, friends, families, no, na nakasupport kay Taurus. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Leo, Aquarius, um, Pisces, Cancer. I am seeing Virgo. I am seeing Capricorn, um, Leo. I am seeing Scorpio, no? I'm seeing Libra, um, Virgo, yep, nasabi ko na. Sagittarius is also here. So, yep, this is your reading, no? Taurus, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audiences. And nagla-live din po tayo doon. So, kung gusto niyo sumali, you're very much welcome. Kung hindi niyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung feeling niyo po, no, kilalang-kilala niyo yung sarili niyo, kung feeling niyo hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po nandun po yung aking link ng aking website. Click the link sa pinakababa po, makikita niyo yung question form. Ibabang-baba niyo pa, nandun po yung information ng how much per question, no? The name, the number, the QR codes for your reference. I also created a discounted price. Tingnan nyo na lang po yung QR codes na 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa ating description box, no? So, tuloy ang manhunt. nasa description box din po yung mga fake accounts na pwede niyong i-report. Take a screenshot, send it to the email, and once mag-upload natin yan, I will be choosing a winner for a private reading. So kung hinahanap niyo po yung mga X-Files or yung readings about exes, kakapost ko lang po kanina, no? So, mainit-init pa, nasa Facebook po yan. So, that's Babaylan TV. So, this is your reading, Love and Light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Taurus.